Since the start of the premium trading signals group, we have had over 11 winning trades and over a 70% win rate. So if you want to join this group and learn more about trading crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment for both the Telegram and the Discord group, where you can find more information on how to join the signals group. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to this new video on Polkadot and the Dot coin. Wanted to take a look at it. Excuse me, I have a little trouble with my throat. I'm not sure what it is, but alright. Wanted to take a look at it, wanted to do a full overview on it, technical mostly, but also fundamentally a little bit. So let's get right into it. As most of you know, fundamentally Polkadot and its whole ecosystem has been doing fairly well. It's been a while since we had some good news, but Astar Network, for example, was having some great partnerships. More recently, Moonbeam and some great partnerships. So that led to a huge surge in price together with the rest of the market, but Polkadot was relatively bullish from the 14th of February until last Sunday. But then more bearish momentum came into the markets, into most cryptos, and you can see that we actually had quite a few bearish confirmations. First drop down below 7.3, 7.25, then broke down below this level here at 7.12, took a break retest off of 7.4. And now we're right here under that level again, around 7.12, 7.1, and just in general fairly bearish on the short term. So I thought it would be good to zoom out a little bit with you. And what you can see then is that I think, at least, let me do it like this. This is I think the best way to show you. I think we're still technically very bullish. As you can see, it's still only about a month ago that we really broke out of this downtrend and we started some bullish momentum. And as you can see, if we really respect this trend line, for example, and even if we draw the trend line like this, which is a little bit of a controversial way of drawing it, but even if you do it like that, which is technically correct, then we still can drop down all the way to 6.6 and 6.85, and we're still very bullish. All right, not just bullish, but we're actually very bullish. So let me actually draw both trend lines so I can really illustrate it. And I don't always like to use trend lines in that type of way, as most of you probably know. Here, then I would draw it like kind of like this. So I usually don't like to draw it like this, but it's kind of like an indicator of the trend, right? So it's not that if this breaks or if we don't touch that, we're no longer in an uptrend, but it's a great indicator to show that we are still very bullish if you zoom out, even though we have been falling. So on the short term, I mean, it really depends on what Bitcoin is going to do as well. I mean, for example, right now, we're really testing levels around 24,000 again, even though it's not updated right here, but we're really trying to do that again. Or I'm actually not sure if we are. No, perhaps we are not. But I mean, Bitcoin has been pretty stable, but still a little bit bearish. There are some indicators that are moving more towards the bullish side, some more to the bearish side. But if we take a look at Polkadot specifically, it looks like we'll drop down further, right? I mean, we have this major support level around 6.9. It looks like it's more likely that now that we have this resistance at 7.1 and 7.2, that we'll find resistance there. And that will drop down to this level here at 6.9 and maybe even lower towards this level here at 6.7 and 6.6. It largely depends on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin right now gets up to 24,700, then Polkadot is not going to drop down lower than 6.9. But from here, in the end, over a little bit more of the long term, so in the next 2 weeks or something, I do think that we can get back up to 7.4 and also still break above that and get back up to $8. If you zoom out, that's really that's still the most likely scenario. Obviously, it can be invalidated, but I'll keep you updated on that. And for now, it's even though the last couple of days have been bearish, it's far from invalidated. So that's my take on DOT for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.